Hey guys, and welcome to Infinity of Nashua. My name is Jacob, also known as Car Guy 1999 Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a tour and test drive of the 2022 QX80. So, this one here is a Luxe entry-level trim for the QX80. Above this you have Premium Select and Sensory. But the Luxe comes with plenty of features. This one here is a very, very nice color combo. Hermosa blue over wheat. It's the window sticker price of $76,330. This one has illuminated kick plates, welcome lighting, which is the lighting underneath the running board, and cargo pack. So a good amount of options. This one here features the captain's chairs. You can get a split bench seat in all trim levels. You have charging, your rear climate, little storage cubby for rear seat passengers, sunroof, absolutely gorgeous. Go into the rear hatch area. You can see plenty of room, third row seating. I think that seat's a little too far back. Come on. Perfect. So you can see you have third row seating, plenty of room, but absolutely great. So let's talk about the trim levels. What's different between them? With Luxe, on the Luxe, you're gonna get the 20-inch wheels, you're gonna get chrome front grille, body colored mirrors, and a 13 speaker Bose stereo system. You're also gonna get the, what is this, charcoal burl trim, absolutely gorgeous. On Premium Select, that chrome grille is now gonna be a black chrome. Same with the mirror caps, that's going to be a black chrome. You're going to get 22-inch wheels, and you're going to get a matte mocha burl trim. So a lighter wood that is matte, not gloss. Sensory is where you start to get everything. You have speed-sensitive power steering, hydraulic body motion control system, auto-leveling headlights. You got cooled front seats, heated second-row seating, a 17-speaker Bose, and rear seat entertainment. So the rear seat, what was the theater pack. For exterior colors, you have anthracite gray, which replaced graphite shadow. You have black obsidian, champagne quartz, coolest red, here Hermosa blue, liquid platinum, moonstone white, and mineral black. Interior colors, you have a bunch of different options, but some are only available on certain trims. On the Luxe, you can get wheat, which is this interior, and graphite. On Premium Select, you can get the graphite, you can get Sahara stone, which is another very similar trim to this wheat. Please don't hit me. You can get truffle brown, which is going to be a much darker brown leather. And yeah, and of course, graphite. On Sensory, you bring back wheat, but a upgraded leather. Same with graphite, but with upgraded leather. And saddle brown, which is lighter than truffle, and kind of like the color of my shoes. Main competitors for the QX80, there's three big ones that Infiniti focuses on. It's the Escalade, Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, and the Navigator. But now let's talk about what's brand new for 2022. You have new wheels and new wheel material for the Premium Select and Sensory. Again, like I said earlier, anthracite gray replaces graphite shadow. You have standard wireless charging, standard driver attention alert, standard knee airbags, and a new 12.3-inch touchscreen. So here are your knee airbags for both driver and passenger. Underneath the hood, you have a 5.6 liter naturally aspirated V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. It's made it to a 2-speed transfer case. You have 4 high, 4 low, which also has snow mode, tow mode, and traction control off. Towing capacity up to 8,500 pounds. So pretty impressive to say the least. But let's go ahead, let's see what's new here. You can tell this used to be dual screen setup, screen here, screen there. Instead we have one screen. Oh yeah, this is also standard on all trim levels now, the virtual review mirror. So this is all brand new, features an updated infotainment system. You have all your different settings. Customized menu. You can just go through absolutely everything. You can have your InTouch Infinity services. So just really, really cool. In the gauge cluster, again, this is standard on all of them, you have a smaller digital display where you can go through all your different settings, your ProPilot Assist or Proactive Assist. Here is your wireless charging pad, standard on all. All you gotta do, take your phone, as long as it's compatible for wireless charging, goes in, that turns orange. You know your phone is charging. To pause charging, you just take it out, put it back in your pocket. USB-C, USB-A/B. These are both illuminated at night to make them easier to find. Where are you? There you are. Is front plate bracket? Oh no, this goes here. So you can sit there and move it around. If you don't want it up on top, I'll do that. But these seats, extremely comfortable. Again, that charcoal burl trim goes all the way throughout. Heated steering wheel, standard on all QX80s. Same with heated seats. This is where your cooled seat button will be on sensory. You also have a round view monitor. You can view all your different angles. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. QX80 is our biggest SUV, obviously to compete with Escalade, Suburban, GLS, Navigator. It needs to be a bigger SUV. Honestly, if your family can't fit in a QX80, you need like a Ford Econoline 14 passenger van. These are very big, but they have tons of room inside. I took this Saturday night. I didn't drive it yesterday, but took it Saturday night, so I've had possession of it for 2 days, but I've only really driven it for 1 day total. But I will say, I'm very impressed. It's very comfortable. These seats are unreal. Plenty of torque. Again, towing 8,500 pounds. Ignore that for now. Of course, whenever I take a car, I have it synced to Bluetooth just to see how easy it is. And in case I'm driving, if anybody needs to contact me, I don't want to have to use my phone. I do not text and drive. I think nobody should. decline that for right now. Actually, you know what? That's my boss. I gotta make sure I answer that. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'll cut this a little bit short because I've done a full test drive of QX80. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.